this video thing again since we didn't get a good look at his face last time. This is Chocolate. Say hello. Say good morning. Oh, it's afternoon now. Wow, can you tell that I've been chilling on Saturday? This is him. He's pretty much brown all over his entire backside. A light brown, a soft brown, kind of a honey brown. And this side, even his tail, no white tips at all, no white on the face. The white that he has is on his underbelly, so let's see, papas. He's white on the bottom, and under his chin he's white. He also has paws that have some white, and his back paws also have some white on them. If you see the top of his feet, they're white. But for the most part, he is brown, which is why I called him Chocolate. Oh, look, he's hugging my finger. Apparently, he's a snuggler. I can't have that back? No? Okay. Can't have it back. He does better on the video than on the picture. On the picture, he doesn't sit as still. He fusses. But on the video, he'll behave. You get a better feel for him. And you can get a better picture. So, this is Chocolate. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you later. See you later.